So equational discussion board, given this endpoint 37, endpoint of a vector in rectangular coordinates, find the polar coordinates. So I'll try and draw a sketch here. Here's the origin, you're coming over 3 and going up 7, so you have this endpoint 3, 7. You have this vector starting at the origin going to 3, 7. So I made, we got the right triangle, this side's 3 and this side's 7. The magnitude, hypotenuse r, we want to find that, just use Pythagorean theorem, r squared equals a squared plus b squared, or in this case r squared equals 3 squared plus 7 squared, which is 9 plus 49, which is 58, and then square root of that, and r would be square root of 58. And so that's the first coordinate in the polar form. And find the angle theta here. Tangent equals opposite over adjacent. So tangent of theta would be 7/3, or theta would be inverse tan of 7/3 with calculative, a calculator. It comes out to 66.8 degrees. So this would be the answer. Hope that helps.